Hey guys, this is Modern Refugee. There's a lot of different videos on YouTube about the buddy heater, and I've done different videos on different aspects of a buddy heater as well. But this is January of 2025. We got a really bad cold snap coming. It's going to be 0 or below 0 here. For the next week at least, and I know there's going to be power outages, there's going to be problems, so I want to show people another way to utilize these buddy heaters just because they're so popular. And what that is you can use it to cook with a little bit, boil water, make your coffee, your instant coffee or your tea or whatever. Now, one way that you can do this is you can take this rack out, this little protection rack that's on here. You can flip it upside down and you can put it back in these same holes right here, and then that will give you a rack, where the heat comes up and you can cook with it. The only thing with that is then this doesn't have any protection on it, so if you got pets or anything like that, that could be an issue. There's different racks that you can get that'll go on the top of this. There's some that are actually specifically for these buddy heaters. One of them is a paint can rack that you can put on a ladder. Those are ones that go underneath. They'd hook on to these heaters as well. But I have multiple buddy heaters, which means I have multiples of these racks. And I also had a buddy heater for about probably 10 years that conked out on me. Well, I stripped it for parts and I took the rack off that, so I got a spare rack. So I have a rack that I can use for this that's basically designed for this. And how I use it is all you do is put it on top of the existing rack that's on there, and then it hooks on the back side here. So if you got two buddy heaters, you can pop the rack off one buddy heater and you can put it on here, and now you got a surface where you can actually heat water, do that kind of stuff. Plus you have the rack down here, so you still got the protection. And what I like to do if I'm going to use this to cook on, I want to put my pot on here with my water or whatever on top of it, and then go ahead and light it. There's less of a chance you're going to burn yourself. And another thing, this is a great use for the multi-tools that everybody carries. When this is hot, I don't like touching any of the parts of a bush pot or anything like that, because you burn yourself. You either got to have gloves or whatever. But if you have a multi-tool, you can actually do that. And I did boil water on this before I did this segment of the video to show you guys what that looks like. But it takes about 10 minutes or so on high for it to boil good 2.5 cups of water, which would be enough for some dry instant soup or a couple of cups of tea or something. And remember that if you cover it, it's going to boil a lot quicker. Another thing is if you're going to use these for cooking or anything like that, you want a good solid surface for this to set on. I got this down here in the basement on the cement floor, so that makes it nice. It's good, it's level, it's solid. I don't have to worry about anything heating up in front of it, so that's another thing that I wanted to mention to you guys. Now, these racks like this have a tendency to tilt just slightly forward. So, you're going to have a little bit of a weight forward on this, and that's another reason why I like this, because this is curved up. There's less of a chance that this can slide or fall off. And that's basically how you go about using these to heat a little water. I'm going to light this up here for you guys. And then that way you can actually heat some water or something on top of heating the room that you're in. That way you're not wasting any heat. You're getting kind of the maximum out of your heater. But I just wanted to show that to everybody and let everybody know how I go about doing this. That way, with this cold snap coming, if you have to use a buddy heater for an emergency or emergency cooking or boiling water or anything like that on top of the heat, you got kind of a dual use item there, and I wanted to just put that out there. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys always get a little information and a little entertainment out of my videos here. Just another little prepping hack that might be useful. You guys take care.